Chandragiri Hills. Chandragiri Hills is 7 km from Thankot and lies on the southwest side of Kathmandu Valley, which is 2551 meters above sea level. The Chandragiri Hills was an ancient trading route that went through Kulgani, Chitlang, Chandragiri Pass and Thankot. Today, Chandragiri Hills is one of the most visited sites in the country. The access to the site has been made a lot easier by establishment of the 2.5 km cable car to the top. Unless you have vertigo or an intense fear of heights, the cable car ride up the mountain is a hidden gem of experience in Nepal. The cars and the mechanism are very sturdy and reliable looking, so that is not something you need to worry about. The cable car journey does not take longer than 10 minutes. It starts from the foot of the mountain near Thankot and goes uphill for around 2.5 kilometers. At the top, you will be at 25 meters above the sea level. As you go up, the brilliant landscape will slowly unveil themselves one scenery at a time. The hill provides panoramic view of Kathmandu Valley and the Himalaya range from Annapurna to Everest. Locals, experts and tourists alike visit this place for an exhilarating experience, and some lovely memories are made in the wake. The main destination of Chandragiri Hills is the mountain top, from where a spectacular view of the great Himalaya mountain range can be seen. The crisp good weather would envelop you, as only the snow-covered crest of numerous mountain masses raise their head above the cloud mist, and the green valley of Kathmandu lies at the bottom, looking beautiful and glorious. Besides the panoramic view of the Himalayas, activities to entertain and amuse guests of all age groups, the local now stand as the ultimate fun destination. Hindu devotees come here to worship Lord Shiva, the Bhaleshwar Mahadev, and take blessing. The Bhaleshwar Mahadev temple at the top of the hill is a place where King Prithvi Narayan Shah worshipped the god before conquering the valley. Folklore says that when King Ranajit Malla had to leave his kingdom after being defeated by the Gorkha, he had wept at the Chandragiri hilltop, looking down at his beloved empire one last time. When Prithvi Narayan Shah unified the country and made it one big kingdom of Nepal, he used Chandragiri Hills to be one of the 4 trade passes. Trading during the olden times would cross Chandragiri and continue further south to head towards the Indian plain. Bhaleshwar Mahadev temple to fulfill the cultural diversity of the place. The Bhaleshwar Mahadev temple stands at the Chandragiri Hills with a sort of warm, antique vibe. The place has a connection with tales from Hindu mythology, one of the more famous ones. It is said that when Shiva conquered Sati, took her life jumping into the fire in protest of her father insulting Shiva, the god of destruction carried her corpse all around the world in grief, and the forehead part of the goddess had fallen right here atop Chandragiri Hills. The temple features 2 levels in the typical pagoda-influenced Nepalese architecture, wooden grid windows and wall carving of different gods and goddesses. At the porch of the temple, Shiva, loyal servant and companion Nandi bulls sit in a pose as usual. Beyond that, the Shivling rests all in glory. Once the temple visit and mountain watching are done, next stop should be one of the cafe or food stall in and around the place. A fun addition in the beer garden where you can sit and release your drink with an unparalleled view of the greatest mountain in the world.